Here's a quick video on how to drain the oil and gas from your SuperHandy or GCM brand gas engine outdoor products. Keeping your gas engine in top shape is super important. Part of that involves draining the fluids. This is especially key when you're storing the unit for a while. Here's how to do it safely and easily. First, make sure the engine is cool and on a flat surface. Find the oil drain plugs under the engine. There are two, one on each side. You can use either one. Put a container under the drain plug to catch the oil. Unscrew the plug and let the oil drain out completely. After a bit, you can try carefully tilting the unit to assist with any remaining fluid. Once it's done, screw the plug back on tightly. If you're replacing the oil, fill using the oil inlet and a funnel, and check using the built-in dipstick. Try and fill just below the top line to avoid overfilling. Properly dispose of any used oil. Next, let's talk gas. Switch the engine to off and turn the fuel valve to off. Locate the drain bolt beneath the carburetor. Prepare a funnel and gas container. Remove the drain bolt from the carburetor. Then open the fuel valve. Use the funnel to direct the gas into a gas container and let it drain completely. If no fuel is draining, double check the fuel switch. Also, try loosening the gas cap to release any pressure vacuum. If there's still no fuel, there might be a blockage in the fuel system. We'll cover this in another video. Once the gas is drained, reinstall the bolt on the carburetor. Your engine is now ready for storage or further maintenance. Don't forget to dispose of the old oil and gas properly according to local rules. Regular maintenance like this keeps your engine running smoothly and makes it last longer.